So, you want to go incognito, huh? Well, all right. I'm going to show you how to do it on Google Chrome. On other tutorials, you can see how to do that in Microsoft Internet Explorer and other browser programs. However, again, today we are only going to go over Google Chrome. So how do we do it? And what is incognito? Well, very simple. Privacy. Do you want your privacy? Do you need it sometimes? Are you on a public computer or work computer and you don't want people to know what you're doing? Great. Basically, while in incognito mode on Google Chrome, cookies and other files are not saved onto the hard drive. And then a plus one to that is that your entire browsing and search history is automatically wiped out. So you don't need to worry about any data being stored on the computer that you are using the incognito mode on. So what we're going to do and how we're going to do that is, of course, we have Google Chrome open. We're going to come up to the Google control settings and come down to new incognito window. Or, of course, we can do Control-Shift-N. And what that's going to do is open up a new window. And as you can see, you've gone incognito. Basically, it gives you a little bit of information there on what it is. And one way you can absolutely know you're there, other than, of course, all of the verbiage saying that you're in incognito mode, you will see Mr. Incognito up in the top left of the screen. So just keep in mind that anything that you do on this screen, no matter where you go, what you do, any of these tabs in this particular window will be incognito. Okay? Now again, while this one is incognito, the original one that you opened up the new window from, as you can see, that never changed. So be a little wary if you are trying to be private on a public computer, that you are not on the old browser window. So that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment and come back and see us.